Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SGYP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And not a whole lot of new things to update here, more so just confirmation that, the levels that you would want to see hold in order for the chart to remain healthy. Everything is still in play, and the bulls, while not the most exciting day today, the chart's still perfectly fine. I fully realize that, days like this, or, price movements like that, that's definitely the exciting part. And, days like this where it kind of just goes sideways are kind of boring, but quote unquote boring, depending on where they're happening. And in this case, because they're happening in an uptrend, that's perfectly fine. And, that's just part of the game. You can't have explosive upwards moves, every single day. So with that being said, just a couple levels, more so reiteration of what I've talked about in the past. But if the price can continue to hold above $6.50, which it's been doing, that would be the best case scenario. And you can see now that our purple line here, which is the 50-period simple moving average, has crossed slightly above there. So they're kind of, one and the same at this point. So definitely going forward, if the price can hold above the purple line, that'd be, best. But then you still have $6.50 as a level of support. And then $6.20, which seems kind of goofy to talk about right now, given the price has been doing such a good job of just consolidating and going sideways up here. But nonetheless, still make note of it. $6.20 is that other area of support. In regards to levels of resistance, still nothing new here to report. The main one up there at $7. But although I do want to add in one more, and this is definitely a shorter term level, but it kind of revealed itself today. So for whatever reason, some sellers have shown up right here around the $6.80 mark. If you look, you can see right there during the morning, bounce got rejected. Later on, especially this afternoon, you can see multiple times price try to get right up around the 679, 680 region, and the price couldn't push through it. So for whatever reason, there have been some sellers that have showed up right there. But that is definitely the shorter term area of resistance, as the overall one remains up there at 7. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.